Hello family, welcome back once again. How are you all doing? I believe everybody is doing well. So today we are going to be making some delicious homemade yogurt. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So here I'm going to be using powdered milk for this recipe. You can also use liquid milk. And here I'm just going to measure 1.5 cup for this recipe, and all depend the quantity you are making. You can make with just 1 cup, 2 cups, all depend on the quantity. So I'm just doing 1 cup. And also for 1 cup of the powdered milk, I'm going to be also using 5 cups of water. That is because I like my yogurt to be very soft and also very smooth. But if you like your yogurt to be a little bit hard, then you use less water. So out of the 5 cups of water, I'm using just a little bit to mix up the milk. Make sure all is well mixed, and make sure you don't have any lumps in the mixture. So keep on mixing, and then I'm going to add a little bit more of water, and then make sure all is smoothly mixed. And now I'm going to be adding the rest of the water. So that is 2, and this is the 3rd, the 4th. And then I'm going to mix together again before adding the last cup. At this point, if you want your yogurt to be a bit harder, you can just do with 4 cups. That will be okay. So that is the last cup. And now I'm just going to drain this out to make sure that there is no lumps in it. So here I have my pan on the fire, and then slowly and gently I'll just drain this or sieve it. As you can see, still have little bit speckles of lumps there. And then I'm just going to bring this milk almost to the boil. I'm not going to boil it. Yeah, you can also do with just lukewarm water, is also okay, but I like to bring mine almost to the boil. So after that, I'm going to be needing Greek yogurt, and this is natural yogurt. And for my 1.5 cup of powder, I'm using 3 tablespoons of the natural yogurt. So after heating my milk, I allow it to sit down until it is warm. And then if you want to know how warm it is, or if it is well with the temperature, you just dip your finger into it and then see if your finger can hold it for 8 seconds, sorry, and then you know that it is perfect. So I just went ahead and then take part of the milk and mix with the yogurt. Don't put the yogurt directly to the milk. You mix it well with just a little bit of milk. Mix all together before you bring it back to the rest of the milk. And then you stir, and here is where I'm going to keep mine. So I just close it with a tight lid and then cover with a clean towel, and I'm going to leave it overnight or up to 8 hours. So it's been the next day now. As you can see, the yogurt is strong enough. Everything is formed. You can see this looks so perfect, but I'm not going to eat it right away. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and allow it to cool down for about 2 to 3 hours before using it. So when you are making your yogurt, make sure you get the room temperature, right? Room temperature, your temperature should be warm. If your house is cold, just make sure you put it in a warm place. And here, this yogurt has been in the fridge for 3 hours now, and this is ready to be served. At this point, you can add in sugar or honey or anything at all that you want to add to it. Remember, this is natural. This is not mixed with any other thing, just with the natural yogurt. And just look at that, you make your own yogurt at home perfectly. So simple, so easy, and you are good to go. So you can make this, store in your fridge, and just use it anytime you want to. So to all my subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you all for subscribing. And if today is the first time, please don't forget to subscribe. And I will be seeing you all in my next one. Bye.